अस्सलामुअलैकुम गाइस, कैसे हैं आप? उम्मीद करते हैं आप सब खैरियत से होंगे, खुश होंगे और हमारी दुआ है कि हमेशा खुश रहें, हंसते और मुस्कुराते रहें। मेरा नाम है रहमान अनवर
और मैं ज़फ़र इक़बाल।
और आज हम जिस वीडियो पर रिएक्ट करने जा रहे हैं, इस वीडियो का टाइटल है एयर इंडिया न्यू एयरबस A350। तो देखते हैं, करते वीडियो स्टार्ट।
Probably my best friend today.
How are you, everyone?
Life is like cricket, no? That's what you
अच्छा,
want to
ये
say.
बाइक ब्लॉगर।
No, thank you so much.
Today we are flying Air India's brand new AIRBUS A350 from Mumbai all the way to Chennai, showcasing their brand new cabin design, meeting lots of other athletes and celebrating a milestone moment for Indian aviation. So lean back and join me on this spectacular day.
Thank you. Bye. Guys, a beautiful good morning. Today is the day. Today is Air India Day. The new Airbus A350, the first
आज का दिन एयर इंडिया के नाम पर
is going into service today, and I'm extremely proud and happy to be part of this historic event. So let's do this and let's check in 4-hour flight from Mumbai to Chennai. So it didn't take long to bump into subscribers and F-Geeks who happen to be on the flight as well. So how do you feel about the new Air India?
Like really excited for this flight as it's the first A350 in India.
Yeah.
So really excited to be on this flight.
And how do you like the new livery?
Oh, I love it. I mean, it's nothing compared to the one in 2001 and 2002, but it's still pretty good.
But once it rolled out in Toulouse, everybody was like, oh my god, this is beautiful, this is amazing.
Right.
So we'll see it with our own eyes in, I guess, half an hour. So boys, let's head to the gate. Huh? So guys, there we are, first 350. It's right there in person. We're looking at it. What do you think?
Super excited.
Yeah?
I think it's a beautiful.
It looks nice, no? Oh yeah, did you hear that? You said he's more excited to see me than the 350.
Because you say
No, both.
I'm sure I heard you said me.
For me, like 70% you and 30%.
There you go, there we go. You earned a few subscribers. You saw everyone is there, really excited for the first arrival of the Airbus A350. So you can see
फर्स्ट है तो सभी लोग आए हैं देखने।
a massive turnout of F-Geeks, and it's just incredible to see that people get so excited about a brand new Airbus A350. See you on board, huh? You economy people. Hi, how are you? Thank you, thank you. So it's finally time to board the Airbus A350 of Air India.
अच्छा, ये नई शुरू की है ना?
Brand new cabin, very much looking forward to get a first glimpse of the cabin. I'm sure it's going to be amazing. Yeah? What's your favorite airline in India?
India,
Air India, yeah? Huh? Brave statement. You had to be on the first flight.
Yeah. And because it's an A350, that's my favorite aircraft.
It is your favorite
ये
aircraft.
सब ब्लॉगर हैं।
Beautiful.
6 A350.
ये थोड़े हाई लेवल के हैं।
What's your favorite 350 so far?
इनका फ्री में साथ जाता है।
Singapore Airlines.
Yeah, I think we agree. We agree on that one, huh? Beautiful, beautiful bird. Oh, let's get on board. How are you? My superstar?
Yes.
Air India star? Thank you. Hi, how are you? 4K, I think. 4K. Hi, thank you.
Hello.
How are you?
मैंने कहा लड़की।
आपको
भी लगा था।
I want to be your camera too.
What's your first impression, Sam? You like it?
Very good.
Very good,
Well,
no?
you were just in front of me, actually.
There you go.
One in front of me.
Traveling with my best friend today.
How are you, everyone?
That's it.
Like,
बिजनेस क्लास है.
Yeah?
yes, it's different. It's day and night's difference.
Yeah.
It's not the usual Air India decor. It's nothing like it.
New, new chapter has started now, and we are all here. Thank you so much.
Everyone, there's so many Afghans
Afghans now.
came originally from a 7 a.m. from Bangalore, and they are staying on board. When I got boarded, I was surprised. There's so many people already here, and then the cleaner has to eventually come through to clean the cabin because everyone was so enthusiastically taking pictures.
This is Harry. He's in aviation.
हाँ ये भाई भी vlog बना.
Absolutely.
So we have some local expertise here. So
Exactly.
how do you feel being here today?
I feel great. So Josh and Sam makes video in English. Same videos I make in Hindi. So just that's the difference. That's all. Big fan of Josh.
Thank you very much. And what's your first impression? How do you like it?
It's really good, and I'm very proud. It's just the starting, I feel, and it's a long way to go, but the beginning is really good.
Yeah. That's a nice thing to say. I'm proud. Like, and this is what I think one of the biggest projects in aviation history, not just
Because
in
Josh,
India.
Whenever you used to search Air India, what were the things you used to get?
Yeah.
Broken seats.
Yeah.
So many things were there, but
Drama.
now suddenly it's
Drama,
such a big transformation.
Yeah.
It's
It brings pride back to the nation as well.
Exactly.
And you know what Indians are like? Indians, they endorse, they love
take
their
pride
country.
into it. They take pride into it.
Exactly. And it hurts for Indians. If you say something bad about Lufthansa, I would probably jump on the same boat and say, yeah, terrible. But Indians, when you say even Indians, even if they agree, Indians, that India was terrible in the past, they would still have a sore heart because it hurts them, because they know what a great airline it used to be.
Exactly.
And this is the cultural sensitivity that we have to have sometimes as well. And that's what I think is very important. It's incredible that we are witnessing all this together, right?
Exactly.
So,
First of all, I'm proud that I'm in his video. First of all, that's a big thing for me. And also, Indians are more emotionally driven. We are more emotionally driven, and so because it's a great comeback.
Life is like cricket, no? That's what he wanted to say. So people understand it. Life is like cricket. There's up and downs, and sometimes you think you go into the final and you think you win, but then you lose.
Oh, India
Alright, it was nice meeting you, man. Huh? All the best. Enjoy the flight. Yeah? So guys, here we are. Welcome aboard the AIRBUS A350, the brand new flagship of Air India. And the first impression, look at this business class seat. It looks
Business
stunning.
class
It was
है तो
originally
फिर
meant for
ऐसी
Aeroflot,
मिलेगी.
but due to the sanctions, they didn't take delivery of it. So some of them went to Turkish Airlines. A few of them ended up with Air India. And the seat is just outstanding, and I think this is the transition that India is going through, transitioning back to a world-class airline after all these years of struggle and identity crisis, funding issues, and being a government airline. And now, since it's back with Tata, things are happening. The new branding looks just stunning, and I think there's more to come over the years. And as you can see, it's like a big celebration here of AFGeeks. Everyone came just to be part of this very, very special flight, and there's so much energy in the cabin. Everyone is so happy, everyone is so excited, and I think that's what we all love about aviation.
We're proud and delighted to welcome you aboard one of the first scheduled commercial flights on India's and Air India's first A350. This flight marks a major milestone in Air India's transformation journey. A journey
Air
to
India
once again become a truly world-class airline that every Indian is proud of.
So we're just entering the runway for somewhat historical takeoff.
Oh.
One feature I really like about the new seat is the enhanced privacy, and you can enhance it even more. You can close the door and you have your own little Maharaja Suite. Not Q Suite, Maharaja Suite. There you go. And then you open it and you reconnect with the world.
डबल लगा हुआ
It's amazing. When you think about those old, lie flat, forward-facing seats in business class on the Dreamliner,
देख लो
and
भाई, ये
compared to
होती
this
है
product, world of a difference. World of a difference. Incredible product. Incredible product. Thank you so much. Because I love the new uniform. It looks stunning. Is it comfortable and nice? Like wearing it? That's good. Better than yeah. And it looks stylish as well. I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you. So to celebrate this special occasion, I want to give away one of those Cahill key rings removed before flying. Looks pretty good on your carry-on. For example, if you board Qatar Airways, instant upgrade. No doubt about this. So all you have to do is leave a comment in the comment section below and share the video with at least one friend, and then you might win this beautiful gadget, this must-have.
Oh.
So we have 45 minutes.
Oh, आ गया माल आया
है. 45 minutes to go until we touch down in Chennai. And the crew just started to serve the breakfast. The presentation looks lovely. And this is something, a big contribution from the Vistara side. You know, both airlines are merging towards the end of the year, and catering on Air India was always a nightmare. But that is what Vistara brought to the occasion, the quality when it comes to food. And now let's dig in and see what it tastes like. So, and we are just about to land in Chennai. It's been a great flight, a celebration of aviation, and you guys probably noticed that Sam was on the flight, and he probably wondered, what was the encounter like? And to be honest, it was very pleasant, very respectful. We shook hands, we acknowledged each other, and a little bit ago we had a conversation about the differences that we have, but we also acknowledged that we have different angles that we look at aviation. While I am very passionate about holding airlines responsible, using my videos to improve the traveling experience for customers, and he is more of the behind-the-scenes kind of guy. Sometimes I wish he would use his voice or his platform a bit more to be more critical and to bring improvements to the industry. But what's important is that we sit down. You know, I'm a very approachable person. So is he, and we talked about stuff. That's what men do. We sit together, shook hands, even gave him one of my key rings, and we had a great conversation. And for that, I'm very grateful. I always love to build bridges. I don't like to burn them. And it was very important for me to have that talk and that chat with him. However, I will also always keep an eye, keep an on his toes. And now let's land here in Chennai.
Chennai. Oh.
I see ya.
Thank you, Josh. See you guys. I hope you guys all enjoy the flight.
See ya. See you.
ये आपकी dog.
See ya. Bye.
Take care, bro.
See you guys. Thank you. I did. Take care, Sama. Bye. Thank you. Bye.
वो नहीं आया बा.
So guys, here we are in Chennai, my favorite airport in India. What a day it was, what an adventure it was. And that is the power of aviation. It brings people together. It was a moment of celebration. It's a stunning plane, and every time I fly Air India, they're getting better and better, and they have
वाओ क्या बात है यार.
बाकी यार एक फॉरेनर व्लॉगर भी अब आके आते हैं स्पेशल इनॉग्रेशन में, क्योंकि एक पहले ये होता था कि जितने भी व्लॉगर थे ना इंडियन वो पहुंच जाते थे जब ऐसा कोई मौका आता था, लेकिन आज ऐसे चेहरे देखने को मिले हैं जो कि एक फर्स्ट टाइम हमने देखे. एक भाई के तो
हाई प्रोफाइल
भाई साहब आते नहीं है, उनको बुलाया जाता
बुलाया, वही बोल रहा हूँ ना कि
देखो ना एक कैटेगरीज है व्लॉगर्स की ना, लेकिन ये कि ये थोड़े से हाई लेवल में आ जाते होंगे, हाई लेवल तो नहीं कह सकते, लेकिन ये कि जो ट्रैवल करते होंगे मतलब एक फ्लैट के थ्रू, हाँ उनको फिर उन्होंने प्रेफरेंस किया, क्योंकि वो जो एक लड़का है ना जो मतलब उसको हमने काफ़ी उसकी फ्लैट सॉरी देखे हैं व्लॉग, वो इंडिया में मतलब हर तरह के वो व्लॉग बनाते हैं, लेकिन उनके फॉरेनर के ज़्यादा व्लॉग है, क्योंकि वो उनका काफ़ी सफ़र जो है ना वो आना जाना रहता है इस तरह एक फ्लैट के थ्रू, तो इसलिए उन्होंने उनको प्रीफर किया।
एक देखो ना ये एक कंट्री की नहीं, मतलब कि सब कंट्री में करते हैं। किसी ने अगर एक टूरिस्ट को एक मतलब के बढ़ावा देना है या एक बुलाना है ना लोगों को अपनी कंट्री दिखाने के लिए, वो भी ऐसे ही करते हैं, व्लॉगरों को भाई बनाते हैं और बोलते हैं कि आप फ्री में बनाओ। हाँ कि एक वीक तक उनका भाई स्टे होता है, वो कंट्री को दिखाते हैं, फिर लोग उनका व्लॉग देखते हैं और फिर लोग उधर विजिट करते हैं। लोग मेहनत करते हैं यार, अब यही इधर सीन है। लोग उन्होंने भाई उनको बुलाया, अब उन्होंने व्लॉग बनाया, मतलब कि बनाया, सब देखेंगे और फिर इस चीज को प्रेफर करेंगे कि हम एयर इंडिया में हम जाएंगे। लेकिन अब इधर अगर आप पाकिस्तान की बात करें ना, इधर जो भी चीज ये लॉन्च करते हैं ना, ये किसी बाबे शूबे को बुला लेते हैं, फूक शूक मारो भाई आप, मतलब कि अच्छे से चले।
नहीं, हमने इस तरह की लॉन्चिंग खैर देखी नहीं है, जो मतलब एक
नहीं हुई तो नहीं है
यार, कोई अगर किसी चीज की करते हैं तो
ये आप कह सकते हैं कि फूके शूके मनाने के लिए जो है ना वो मतलब किसी बड़े पीर शीर को बुला लेते हैं ये, लेकिन ये कि यार हमारा
यार कोई बड़ा जो माल है अगर उसकी ओपनिंग होती है तो व्लॉगर बनाए, लोग देखें, पता लगे
ये बात ठीक है, लेकिन ये कि हमारे इन चीज़ों का अभी कंसेप्ट नहीं है, लोगों के अंदर इस तरह की अभी एक अवेयरनेस नहीं है, जो हम एक ऑब्जर्व करते हैं आस पास के माशरे के हवाले से, जो आस पास के लोग हैं उसके हवाले से हमने इस तरह की देखी नहीं चीज़ें कि इस तरह लोग, हाँ कुछ मल्टी नेशनल कंपनीज होगी जहाँ पे लोग जो है ना वो मतलब थोड़ा इस तरह का सोचते होंगे, लेकिन वो भी एक थोड़े से लेवल तक, उसमें व्लॉगर्स को हम नहीं काउंट कर रहे हैं। हाँ थोड़ा बहुत वो जो मतलब आस पास के जो कुलीग्स वगैरह होते हैं, लेकिन ये एक ट्रेंड जो है ना हमने इंडिया में देखा, कोई भी एक मतलब चाहे एक टनल तक जो है ना उसका अगर उसकी ओपनिंग होनी हो या किसी एक ब्रिज की ओपनिंग होनी हो तो भाई आपको ज़रूर व्लॉगर्स जो है ना वो वहाँ पे मिलेंगे, उनको पास वगैरह इशू किए जाते हैं, वो जस्ट इसलिए किया जाता था कि भाई वो एक चीज़ें दिखाएं आगे जाके कि मतलब कोई भी हर तरह के लोग हर फील्ड में होते हैं, तो इस तरह उनको जो है ना वो एक चीज़ों का पता चल जाता है यार।
हाँ बिल्कुल, मशहूरी हो जाती है, ऐड जैसे दिप जाता है सबका, बाकी दिप जाता है। बाकी उम्मीद करते हैं आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगी। अगर पसंद आए वीडियो को लाइक, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। मिलते हैं नई वीडियो के साथ, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह।